guides, and role models. They inspire their students, nurture their curiosity, and help them develop critical thinking skills and a love of learning. These qualities are difficult, if not impossible, for AI to replicate. Furthermore, teachers are adaptable and responsive. They can adjust their teaching styles to meet the ever-changing needs of their students. They can sense when a student is struggling or disengaged and intervene in a way that is both sensitive and effective. This ability to adapt and respond to individual needs is a hallmark of good teaching. It is something that AI has yet to master.
Section 4 AI in Action Real-World Examples. While AI cannot replace teachers, it is already being used effectively in classrooms around the world. One example is Duolingo, a language learning app that uses AI to personalize lessons and provide feedback to learners. Another is Khan Academy, a non-profit organization that offers free online courses in a variety of subjects. Khan Academy uses AI to track student progress and identify areas where they need additional support. In some schools, AI is being used to create virtual tutors that can provide students with one-on-one help. These virtual tutors can answer questions, provide feedback on assignments, and even offer encouragement and motivation. While they cannot replace the role of a human tutor, they can be a valuable resource for students who need extra help.
Section 5. The Future of Education, a Collaborative Approach. The future of education is not about AI replacing teachers. It is about AI and teachers working together to create a more effective and engaging learning experience for all students.
AI can handle the tasks that it is good at, such as providing personalized learning experiences and analyzing data. This will free up teachers to focus on what they do best: inspiring, motivating, and mentoring their students. In this collaborative model, teachers will become facilitators of learning, guiding students through personalized learning paths and providing support and encouragement along the way. They will also play a crucial role in helping students develop the critical thinking, problem-solving, and collaboration skills they need to succeed in the 21st century.
The integration of AI in education is still in its early stages. However, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we teach and learn. By embracing a collaborative approach, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where all students have the opportunity to reach their full potential.